a diagram like this. This is the point P. This is A and D. So first we will join this point with the A point. Correct. Now do the 60-degree rotation. 60 rotation will be like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then whatever the AD is there. So AD we have to measure with the compass and
Mm-hmm.
put your needle at P and cut
Mm-hmm.
the same arc. So that will be your A dash.
Oh,
So
at
that
the.
this line, this length A dash P will be equal to AD.
Oh, okay.
Second, again we
A.
have
Oh,
to
A dash B.
join.
Will the needle be
Hmm,
on? The needle doesn't matter whether on A or B, A or D, right?
right. You have to just measure this one,
Okay.
AD. Measure it and now put your needle at P point
Mm-hmm.
and cut an arc on this line AX or PX. PX is
Got it.
the ray that you got, and then cut an arc here. That will be exactly equal to, so that is A dash P would be exactly equal to AD.
Now, do I do it for all of them?
Yes. Now we have to connect similarly D to it. Okay, and then same thing, that is we need to make a 60-degree angle. So once you will take the 60-degree, you will get a ray. So on the same ray, so you will have to kind
But
of
wouldn't B and P, wouldn't both D and B be on the same line?
uh, D
B and no, B and D. They're both on
B
the same line.
let me check. B, where is B? Okay, A B C D. Yes, that would be kind of yes, if it's
Well,
in the like same thing is there, then we have to make
also,
it in
so
such a way. Mm-hmm.
why just so then when I'm making the arc, it's from D to where? When I have to make the arc for the P line, for the line between D and P.
So for like for PB, when once you will try to find out the what like the rotation, the angle will be of 60-degree, right?
Yeah, I found that already.
So, mm-hmm. So that would be here. So we need 60-degree rotation. So that will be here. A point will be here, and that's B point. So then B point would be 60-degree angle will be like what was the diagram? I think B and A little bit like a different arrangement will be there. So if we will join C, what will happen there then? It's
Then
C, and then it will be 60-degree kind of here, and then similar steps we have to follow. So it's 60-degree, that is here, that will be your B point, and then this is your point B dash, A dash, B dash, D dash, where is the D dash? So this is the way we have to do, and it will be like
the
done with
C,
this.
uh, the 60 degrees for C overlaps on P and A, so it looks the same.
It's look the same, but it should not be like exactly overlapping to each other. So it's like diagram this kind of this one is there, right? So once we will do that point P was there. So yes, it's kind of overlapping, but it should not overlap. So that would be, I think, kind of this.
Mm. So then how would so you know how you have to measure A and D and then you have to mark the no
So you
mark
will
it
have to like measure AD and then mark on the
for
arc
all of
or
them?
the ray that we will form.
Yeah, for all of
Similarly,
them?
yes, for all of them. And for
Okay.
DC, similarly, we have to measure the arm and then we have to make it.
Yeah, I marked it. But then two of the points overlap on each other.
It's done.
Yeah, I think
It's a very
so.
like abrupt, or kind of abrupt formation is there. Let me check. So how it took like? Can you show me? I think it's a very. Oh, now we have to join all the points that we got.
Yeah, but two of them overlap.
Okay, so it's completely overlapping, or is there some little bit difference?
No, because D and B are on the same line, right?
Mm, what is this? So it's making a quadrilateral kind of things, or it's not?
No, not really. It's this is not like a required assignment though.
That was your. So I think we did a similar question, right? So that was the part of I think Pop, Popin 3 was there. So we have
Mm,
learned about the same rotation with some angle, right?
yeah.
So with some distance also. Okay. I think we haven't took the distance, same distance from P, right? I think we
Mm,
did a mistake here. See the P distance we took. See the distance of P. I think there is some distance, isn't it?
from P to what?
Yes. So we need to take the same distance away from like P. If it's 4 centimeters, so it should be a 4 centimeter away from there. So that I think we have missed. I'm so sorry. So for that part, we have to first, of course, um, that is, let's suppose P is there. So
Mm-hmm.
we have to just hold on. So this is point P. So this is point A and B and C and D. So once we will join this one with 60-degree rotation, we will get the point here. That's your A dash.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Now this is something. Okay, now this is we have for D what we can do. So it's done for this one. And now first we should take This is your PA. Let's take quick look. 120-degree angle and then AP. It's good. Now join point this one and then again take 120-degree rotations. You will get the same thing. Okay. So see, yes, it will kind of overlapping. So it this is your 60-degree. Let's make it 60-degree and same arc that is AD is there. Let's mark it here. So it will be your A dash here. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Now second point will be we have to join this one. The point, let's take D point. So now for point D, let's make 60-degree. That will give you a point like here, and D is kind of here. That will be D dash. For the B, that would be kind of overlapping. Yes, of course, let's do it. And yes, it's same angle, around same angle you will get. And B distance, take PB. What's the length here? So we will have to, the B will be here, B dash, isn't it? I
Mm-hmm.
think you missed, I think you missed this one. We have to measure the length also, right? PB.
Oh,
And then arc the, cut the same arc there.
oh, so like the length
Uh,
will. Oh,
yeah,
okay,
that's
okay.
why I think, yeah, that's why I think you are getting, not getting the quadrilateral. For the
Then
C
let me
part,
erase.
if we will join, hmm, C point we will join. So 60-degree will be around like this, and this would be going to kind of this one. And C dash, the same length I need to put over here. So this is will be your C dash. And once we will join all the points, so I think we are getting a quadrilateral. Have a look. As just a rough quadrilateral, that's why it's not exactly same. But once you
Oh
will
yeah,
take
yeah,
the
yeah.
equal
I'm
measurement,
getting.
oh,
I'm
I think you
getting.
have missed this part, length measurement part.
Yeah, that's
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I got it.